Hello everyone, how to create chart and add data labels in Excel. So let's start. First open your Excel and here you can see our student data. So first select the entire data, then go to the insert tab. In charts group, select your chart. So I select here the column chart, 2D column, first one. And here you can see your column chart is inserted. With the chart design tab and format tab also here added. To add the data label, go to the chart design, then in chart layout, click on the add chart elements option. Then click on the data labels. You can see the first option none here already selected, and these are the different type of data labels you can add. In center, inside in, inside base, outside in, data callout. So I click on the first center and here you can see in center, the math marks here added. Now again, I click on the add chart element and click on the data labels. Now I select inside end. In inside end, you can see the math mark here, the inside end showing. Okay. Now I click on this again chart elements, data labels, and now I click on the inside base. And inside base, you can see here the math marks showing in this chart in base area. Okay. Again, I click on the add chart element and click on the data label. And now I click on the outside end. Here, now you can see the in outside end, the data label is showing the outside of this chart. Okay. So I click on again data labels and now I select data call out. Now you can see the data label added in call out. So this is a way you can create chart and add data label in Excel. So hope you understood. Subscribe to channel. Thank you.